up, vlogs? We are back, baby, and this time we are gonna freaking bowl with the squad. We are back, baby, and this time we are gonna freaking bowl with the squad. We are at Studio Makati, Studio 300 at Makati. So this is the place, alright, the bowling place. So we got some sour field on the side. We got Janina on the house. Woo! Ate Abby, Romeo, Drew, and Mommy. Mommy, ayaw mag-hi sa vlog. So today we are gonna be a freaking bowling. Let's freaking go. Let's go! Let's go, strike! Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! No! Come in! One more. Ay, my... So we're having some technical difficulties here, but so far it is good, right? We're having fun. Honestly, like, this is a really good place, you know, to take a date, take your date, a family date, so anything. I mean, like, if you wanna like have some kind of like physical activity, bowling is one good sport, you know. Just really test things out. Yun. Okay, what's up, Ate B? Anong nangyari? What happened? Okay. Kaya nga, oo nga. Biglang naging 51 na.
Scam.
Scam. Okay lang. Okay. We got some drinks. We got some food. Right, thank you so much, Kuya. Whoa, what is happening? Yeah, we're currently at Manam. We're gonna get some food. Yeah, we're just gonna recharge.
Volt.
Volt ka, ayun na.
Mamaya. Di homophones.
Hi, test mic.
Mic test.
Kamusta yung Studio 300 experience?
Honestly, sobrang saya. Just because competitive yung mga kasama ko. Okay. Siyempre, shout out muna natin yung representative mo. Mami, Api. Okay, ano bang
sent me is the gold medalist of Asian Cup Jiu-Jitsu.
Okay. Magkano ano sa TV? Magkano sa Studio 300?
They charge per lane per hour. It's 1,800 per hour. 65 pesos shoots rental.
Labas nyo na wallet nyo. Labas nyo.
5 lang yung max na pwede. Oo. It doesn't matter. Kasi parang kung dalawa lang kayo, mas mabilis yung turnover ng games eh. Pero ang hindi ko na parang mainit. Di ba?
Mainit nga siya. Yeah.
It was fun, but I'm not sure if it's worth it for 1.8 per per hour. Tapos 5 kami, tapos maliit lang yung lugar. I mean yung... Ay. So, kami 6 kami. So, sikip. We ordered truffle pizza with bacon. Masarap yun, in fairness naman. Hindi lang super special, pero for a bowling alley, pwede na. Masarap naman for a bowling alley. Hindi lang siya.
Matagal na ako hindi nagbo-bowling. I don't remember when I last went bowling. Pero sumakit yung arms ko. Tapos naipit yung finger ko.
Kaya nag-warm up talaga ako ng maayos na makikita niya sa clip namin before. Ayun, kaya nag-warm up talaga ako ng maayos.
Media.
Everything that's coming his way and everything that has come his way over the
It's August 4, 2024. And Carlos Yulo has just won his second gold medal in gymnastics. What an amazing performance, Carlos Yulo. Grabe, nakaka-inspire from just researching your background and like just coming across all of the stories about your training, how you've won a lot of accolades, but this is the best of the best. Wow. Congratulations.